the door. And there before him lay the body with a knife sticking in its back. Detective Sloane's keen, piercing eyes searched the room. Suddenly, machine gun bullets hissed over his head. A shriek!
Audrey, aren't you asleep yet?
Yes, Mother, I'm fast asleep. Extra! Extra! Read all about it! Extra! Stand back, everybody! This is a case for Private Eye Audrey. You're all under suspicion. You there. Why are you hiding? If you had a face like mine, you'd hide it too. Where were you on the night of the crime?
I was home looking at television.
Quiet, everybody! Did you commit the murder?
I only murders the English language.
Hey, you! What have you got up your sleeve?
It's my silver anniversary. He did it! 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 He did it!
Okay, come on, spill the beans. You're under arrest, Mr. Cuckoo. Here is the killer of Cut Robin. Stop. Stop. I confess. I didn't mean to hit him. The arrow is a valentine.
A valentine? Mary Canary!